Hello and welcome to this Power BI visual. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss stacked bar visual. Now for stacked bar visual we are going to use either stacked bar visual or stacked column visual. We are going to use stacked column visual out here. Now first of all, let's go ahead and make it bigger as usual, and now we are going to put on the axis category. Okay, nothing is going to show. Let's put a value out here. Now, once we see value, it's very similar to bar visual. There's nothing which has changed. And if we go and look at the property, we go to data color and then we see function. So this is same as the cluster bar visual. We are seeing data default color and then there is a function one. It means the conditional formatting can work. So till now it seems like bar visual, but now once we drag, let's say we are dragging brand out here, now it has become stacked. Now in the clustered column chart you see different bar. Now it is stacked one over another. This is what you get in the clustered bar visual. Now so if we go here, now if we look at data colors, we know that we are not going to get the options for conditional formatting. And then you have options just like whenever we have legends, so we can switch off legends, switch on legends. We can uh, have this legend name which we can change. We have the legend size, so we can actually make them look a bit bigger, and then as usual legend position. So in this case, let's say right center, because we have a lot of space out here, we have a lot less values in case of category, so we can actually afford it out here. Now similarly, you have those transparency available in the background. We can make it a bit transparent. Okay, so same property, again the same title property, shadow property, all the properties are very much similar out here. Now very similar chart. We can again as the bar visual, the only thing is we can have a tooltip addition and we will start seeing crosshair. Now another thing which we can do is we can actually change it to look like this one, but there are two more visuals which are very similar, and then they are known as 100% stacked bar, 100%. So what are those 100%? Let's pull it. Now what you see is basically this is basically distributed into the percentage terms. Okay, so now every bar is shown as 100%, and now it is kind of, you got multiple pies, so each one is now acting as a pie. So everything is a kind of a pie visual. So this category 100% down there. So do we have different kind of labels out here? So we go to data label, we switch it on, and then we start seeing. Okay, and then by default what you are going to see is the percentage. Now these are kind of vertical pies which you have got, and there you can see percentage. You can change the orientation horizontal or vertical, position auto, overflow text. So overflow means when it goes out it will allow it. Seen somewhere the impact of this one, you see out here overflow text. When I allowed it, actually went ahead and allowed values at few more places, but if it is too small it is not going to show it. And then show background, these are options. Then customize series, if I click on customize series, for each series you will be able to take some decisions. Okay, so this is the each series. Then plot area, you can do transparency and all those, uh, but we are not going to play around much with these features. So this is what you have in all these. Basically you have stacked visual, you have 100% stacked both in horizontal and vertical manner, then you can show it. So basically in this case it's kind of a pie, in that case it kind of a clustered bar stacked one over another. So stacked bar pretty useful visual because it allows us to show how this 100% is achieved. Now in terms of value we want can show, in terms of percentage we can show. So there are use cases where only stacked bar visual can fit in. So try this visual out and let us know what else you wanted to show for this visual. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that you can get notification for our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.